Hey all, Kyle, AA0Z here. Welcome to the channel, and I have a problem. My problem is my KX3 microphone, which is in pieces here, broke. The reason why it broke was I have this Army canteen pouch that I use to store my KX3, and in the front pouch here, I put all of my power cables and I jam my microphone into this pouch. And over time, in the last 10 years, the cable has given out multiple times. I have taped it, I have resoldered some stuff, and it has just decided that it's going to kick the bucket. I also, whenever I was trying to replace the cable, I pulled the microphone case apart, and one of the connectors on this JST connector, I don't know if you can see it right there, it actually pulled out and came out of the connector housing. So now I've got one cable that's connected to the JST connector and one is not. And then here's the board. So what I'm thinking about doing, well, first, if you know the name of this JST connector and the size, I believe that this is a 7-pin, this is a 2-pin. And this has 1 millimeter pitch spacing, but I'm unable to find the actual connector name to get some more connectors. But what I'm thinking about doing is unsoldering these pins and making my own connector pair and redoing this with a small gauge Cat 6 cable, because this has got 7 pins, but only 4 pins are being used. So I might make a new cable that's a little bit shorter than this and bring this thing back to life somehow. But in the meantime, I want to show you a solution that might be better for you if you're trying to shave some weight from your KX3, because this mic with the speaker and the cable is pretty heavy. But I'm going to show you a smaller and less weight option that you might want to take a look at. So we are going to talk about this. This is the replacement for my MH3 mic that comes with, or you can buy for the KX3 and the KX2. This microphone is by K6ARK Adam, the inventor of everything miniature on ham radio. It has a microphone up top. It has a push-to-talk here that you can see. It has got a ring tip sleeve cable that plugs into your KX3, into the mic port, and this is it. So where do you get this new and improved mic for shaving some weight off of your KX3 Go kit? Well, let's take a look. Here I am on printables.com. This is where Adam puts all of his 3D prints, and let's search on KX3 mic, and you can see it's the first one that pops up. Let's click on that guy, and here is the picture of the microphone that I just showed you, along with the STL files and the instructions on what to do to build this. So let's go through this real fast. You can download the STL file from the download page. It is 2 pieces, mirrored image of one another. And then obviously you've got the PTT that you need to purchase, the microphone and some wire, and then also the ring tip sleeve connector, female connector, and then the TRS male wire. Here is a list of all the things that you need to purchase. Some of these come in 10 packs and 100 packs. Maybe you can build a couple for your friends if you've got extra stuff. And then assembly instructions. 2 types of different assemblies, one for the true SDX and the other one for the KX2 and the KX3. Make sure that you put the wiring, solder the wires together that you need for the KX2, the KX3. You can see how the microphone is on the left-hand side over here, and for the KX2 and the KX3, the microphone is on the right-hand side. And it goes to the female ring tip sleeve connector. Make sure you get the wiring correct. And then once it's all done and in one side of the housing, it's going to look like this. And then you snap it together, and this is what the final product looks like. So let's turn on the KX3 and get this thing dialed in. I've got a dummy load and a power source connected. So let's get this dialed in and see what it sounds like. All right, here back at the bench, I'm going to turn the KX3 on. So you can hear the audio here. All right, going to do a quick tune to make sure that it's 1-to-1. All right, so now I'm going to mute this mic, and I'm going to just talk into the K6ARK KX3 mic, and you'll get a perspective of what this sounds like. So,
test 1, test 2, test 1, test 2, Alpha, Alpha, 0, Zulu. This is the K6ARK Mini KX3 3D printed mic. You can hear that the microphone is putting out a clear signal, and I've noticed that you need to talk across the mic. If you talk into the mic, you can hear quite a bit of air noise. But if you talk across the mic, it sounds a lot more clear. But I think this is a winner. This is going to go in my Go kit, and I'm going to use this mic from now on. I never use the buttons up at the top for the up and down. I just needed a microphone, and this is a very doable solution in my book. So thanks to K6ARK, Adam, for inventing this and putting the kit out on printables. Go out and print your own mic and shave some weight off of your KX3. Thanks.